What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because it is that time of the month again, and we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. I feel like mentally I still think it's 2020 and now we're already at the end of 2021. It is crazy, but I'm excited to do our unboxings today and dig in. I have the base box for November as well as the Boxycharm Premium box for November. So we're going to open them both up together, and I only have my base done because I figured then we could try some of the products as well and see how they work. If you guys are new to Boxycharm or my Boxycharm unboxings, it's basically a monthly subscription service where you get sent beauty products right to your door. The base box, you get 5 full-size beauty products, and in Boxycharm Premium, which is a bigger box, you get 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. So I want to thank Boxycharm as always for partnering with me and sending me these to be able to review for you guys, but the suspense is killing me, so I want to go ahead and dig right on into them. I'll link to Boxycharm's website in the description box if you guys want to check that out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's start with the base box. Today, I literally am using lash scissors that have a little lash still on them because I don't know where my box opener is. Ooh, okay, so this month's theme is invite only, bougie bougie. Ooh, okay, so right on top, I see a Violet Voss palette. I love Violet Voss. I feel like I haven't heard about them in a while too, which I really like their eyeshadow palette. So this is their Violet Sunset, pretty pink and purple packaging. Looks the same on the inside. Ooh, how pretty. Really pretty palette. You have a mix of neutrals, and then you also have pretty pinks and purples, and a nice mix of both mattes and shimmers. So plus you get a mirror, and it is 10 different shades. So the value on this is $37. Oh, and it is a Boxy exclusive, which is pretty cool too. So we will use this later on. I'm gonna do the unboxing first, and then we'll do the try on towards the end of the video for those that wanna see. Okay, up next we have the Ace Beauté eyeshadow amplifying base. So it kind of goes together with the eyeshadow palette. Now we have a little base eyeshadow primer. Looks like this, and the MSRP on this is $14.99. Then we have the Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. Definitely something that I will use. Oh my goodness. I feel like this is something I'm always preaching like to my friends. I see their brushes and I'm like, when was the last time you cleaned that? And they're like, what do you mean? I don't clean them. And I'm like, what do you mean? You have to clean your brushes. So even though this is like not as exciting, I would say, as a makeup product would be, it is an essential for sure. And these ones that are like the sprayer are quick and easy because you just can kind of spray them on the brush and then just like wipe them on a paper or your hand or something to cleanse them. So kind of like a quick cleanse product. And the value on this is $19. And then to go with that, it looks like we have a little brush set. So this is a Luxie brush set, and looks like you get 3 different brushes. Let me just snip this open. So you get a bigger fluffy like face brush and then 2 eye brushes. So again, we can use all these with the eyeshadow palette and stuff towards the end, and the value on that is $40. And then last but not least, we have the Skin Fix Resurface AHA BHA Enzyme Exfoliating Pads. That is awesome, especially as we move into winter. I feel like exfoliation is so important because my skin just gets dry and crusty. So, and I love products that have AHA BHA in them for exfoliation. So these are just like little pads that you can use. They make it quick and easy. I'm assuming they're just like already pre-soaked. Yeah, they're already like pre-soaked pads that you can use on your face to exfoliate instead of having to use like a harsh, like physical exfoliating product. So that's really, really cool. And the value on this is $50. Alrighty, so that was everything in our base box for this month. Let's move on into premium. Alrighty, gonna open up premium now, and let's see what's in here. I'll be honest, this month I feel like my base box felt heavier than premium, which is interesting. Ooh, but okay, right on top I see Persona Cosmetics. This is the Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. I've tried a few things from Persona actually that I really liked. I have not tried this palette though, so let's see. Definitely it feels nice quality. Reminds me of like the Tartelette like palettes as far as packaging goes, but this is what it looks like on the inside. This is beautiful for fall. Very, very pretty colors. You get 12 different shadows, mattes and shimmers, nice big mirror, and this is like, again, like nice quality packaging. So definitely really like this. The value on this is $42. Next we have, ooh, this is from the brand Rodial, and these are blush drops. So it's a liquid blush, which a year ago I would have never used, but now I'm like so into liquids and creams and all those type of products. So really, really excited. Oh wow, that is such a pretty color. We'll definitely test this. I have the shade Sunset Kiss, so we will be giving that a try for sure. Oh dang, the value on that is $50. So Fingers crossed that it's actually pretty good. Then we have the Nude Sticks Lemon Acid Detox and Glow Micro Peel. So Nude Sticks came out with a bunch of skincare actually. Love the packaging on these. I tried a different product from their skincare line that I really liked, so I'm very excited to try this out. So this is a micro peel, so again, great for exfoliating the skin and really clarifying the skin and getting that glow. So very, very excited to give this a try. And the value on this is $34. Then we have this, what is this? Ooh, roll-on fragrance oil. The brand I think is Riddle. Assume this is like a perfume or something. Looks like this. Ooh, smells very good actually. I'm so bad at like describing scents though. I don't know, it smells good. I wish I could just send it to you guys, but it has like a little roller and you can put it on. It's like not overdone, not super sweet, but not super like musky either. Let's see if it describes it in here. Smells clean and subtle. That's what I would say. Like, yes, that's a good, accurate representation. Like it's not too much. Oh, this is cool. The oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. Hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. This is very, very cool. I like this product a lot actually, and I will definitely put this in my bag. The MSRP on this is $50, so that is really, really cool. I like that a lot. And I've never really like seen or tried a product that's just like that, so that's pretty cool. Okay, next we have this Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. So little gloss. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. There's like rose petals like actually in it. I don't know, I didn't expect that. I mean, that's literally what it's called, but that is beautiful. Okay, wait, I feel like I need to try this on right now because this is just like too pretty to pass up. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so good. It really does smell like fresh roses. Wow, I love this. I love lip oils too, especially on days where I'm not wearing much makeup and I don't have like a lipstick, lip gloss, anything on. I like to throw like a nice lip oil on to nourish my lips. This feels really, really good, not sticky, and smells so good, and it just like looks beautiful. This I really, really like. So the value on this is $20. Definitely a really cool product. I really like the premium box this month. I feel like there's a lot of good things in here that are like different than things I've gotten in the past. Okay, last product we got in premium has its own little wrapping. This is the Better Skin Pro Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. So this is an under eye serum. Honestly, now that I think about it, I obviously have tried like under eye creams, also like that, but I've never tried an actual like serum, I don't think, that's like this, like with a little dropper that you just like dot on the under eyes and then go in with like your under eye cream slash moisturizer. Very cool. Anti-puff, anti-dark circle, and the brand is the Better Skin Co. So definitely something that I will try out and see how it works. The value on this is $38. So that is really, really cool. I realized that we never added up the value of the base box, so we're gonna add up the value of both boxes right now. I have the cards here, and then we're gonna try on some of the products. Definitely really liked premium this month. All right, so let's add up the value of the base box first. We have $37 for the Violet Voss palette. We have $40 for the brush set, $50 for the skin like resurfacing pads, $19 for the makeup brush cleanser, and $14.99 for the Ace Beauté eyeshadow base, for a total of $160.99. And now let's reference that against premium, where we did get an extra product. So in premium, we have $42 for the Persona Cosmetics palette, $50 for the blush drops, which I'm very eager to see if those are good because $50 is expensive, so definitely test those out. $38 for the under eye serum, $34 for the Nude Sticks peel, $50 for the roll-on oil, and then $20 for the rose gloss, for a total of $234. So definitely was at a higher value. Definitely excited and eager to try some of these products out. So, ooh, my brow is like crazy over here, out of place. All right, first we're gonna go in with the Ace Beauté little eyeshadow base. I'm gonna just squeeze some of this out on a brush and going to apply to the lid. Oh wow, it's very light. This does come in colors, so I do obviously have the shade light, but normally I feel like eyeshadow bases are like more clear, but not this one, baby. So I'm going to spread this out on the lid. I feel like because this is so light, it actually probably will make the colors amplify like very well. A lot of times with eyeshadow primers, I will go in and then with a brush, and then I'll just tap it kind of into the skin with my finger. Ooh, this base actually seems really nice and kind of morphed in with my concealer easily, so I like that. All right, lids are primed. I'm gonna try and go in with shadows from both palettes and just kind of make a look work with both of them. So I'm gonna jump in with the Persona palette first and go in with the shade Loyal. And I'm just gonna work this into the crease on both eyes. Also very nice that both of these eyeshadow palettes have nice mirrors in them, so easy to use to do a look. So I'm just gonna buff that in windshield wiper motions. Okay, now I'm gonna jump into the Violet Voss palette and go in with the shade Desert Sand. This is a matte brown, a little bit on the deeper side. I'm gonna use that to buff in the crease. It seems very pigmented and easily blendable as well. I have so many palettes from Violet Voss, and it was like a brand that I loved, and I don't know what happened. Like there's nothing happened where I don't like them anymore or anything. I just haven't used their palettes in a while, so I feel like this is getting me to think like, okay, where are those? Let me pull them out and like use them. I actually used one of their palettes on my wedding day. They make great shadows. Okay, now let's jump into the shade Brave in the Persona palette, and I'm gonna go in with the angled brush that we got in the Luxie brush set, and I'm gonna angle that in this outer V area to begin to deepen that up. Okay, now I'm gonna jump back into the Violet Voss palette. I'm gonna use the shade Peach with the flat top brush, and I'm gonna pop that on my lid. Pretty like shimmery shade. It's super light, but it does have a peach undertone to it. For highlight, I'm gonna mix together the shades Honest and Kind in the Persona palette, and I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner and beneath the brow bone. Now I'm gonna jump into the Violet Voss palette in the shade Lilac, and I'm gonna use this with a tiny little liner brush on that lower lash line. This is a really pretty bright purple. And then switch back into the Persona palette. I'm trying to use as many shadows as I can from both palettes for you guys while also still making a look that looks pretty. I'm gonna jump into this shade right here in Confident and buff that right on top. And then last but not least, in the Violet Voss palette, I'm gonna go in with shade Dusk. This is the darkest shade, and I'm gonna use that to do a little liner on the top, kind of wing it out a little bit. Okay, I'm actually living for the way these shadows came out, like with the purple liner on the bottom. I really like it, but I'm gonna go just pop on some mascara and lashes, and then we'll be back to test out the rest of the products. All right, eyes are done. Now let's go in with these blush drops. So I'm gonna dab a little bit kind of on the cheeks. It's like a little dropper like this. And then I'm gonna go in with a sponge and blend it because that's normally the way I like it. I feel like maybe my fingers would be better. Went in with a little bit more on my finger. Okay, yes, fingers definitely blend this better. With the sponge, I was using a dry sponge, it's not damp, but finger definitely just blends this into the skin super easily, so it's easier, one less thing you have to use. Wow, this is really pretty. Like it has a little bit of a glow to it, which I do really, really like. So it's almost like a blush kind of highlighter in one because I don't have any highlight on at all. So it adds that pretty flush and then adds that pretty glow too. I don't know that I would necessarily pay like $50 retail for this, but you get it in Boxycharm, so it's not like you actually have to pay $50 retail. So it's definitely a really nice product. Okay, wait, maybe I went in with too much on this side. We are gonna be nice and rosy and glowing, but definitely a really, really pretty product. Like I think it looks beautiful on the cheeks and the shade is just stunning. So definitely really liked that. I'll go in with a little bit more of this little rose lip balm, but it has lasted pretty well. Ooh, smells so, so good. But yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, I'll have a link to sign up for Boxycharm right down below if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.